The right to the city is far more than the individual liberty to access urban resources. It is a right to change ourselves by changing the city. So wrote David Harvey in his essay, The Right to the City.
Across the world, vibrant and active performance spaces are seen as vital social infrastructure, reshaping a city by driving economic revitalization, fostering cultural identity, and promoting community cohesion.
And Calcutta has been such a hub and used to change full cultural landscapes. But now what it needs is a bit of an upgrade. Not just any venue, but an artist-led, artist-created and artist-managed venue. That is the dream that can create that special magic that truly pushes cultural boundaries.
We at the Pickle Factory Dance Foundation, Calcutta, have an ambitious and extraordinary vision.
A permanent arts and community-focused home for dance venue in our architecturally textured city.
Part of an international network of vital and vibrant art spaces.
So how do you know we will push the envelope?
Well, since 2018, we have been bringing artists and guests from across India and the world to Calcutta with work spanning all kinds of dance, physical theatre, circus, puppet theatre and more, transforming the most unlikely of spaces into fabulous pop-up performance spaces.
Burnout cinemas, television studios, rooftops, warehouses, cell blocks of an erstwhile prison, streets and gardens. We have used all of them.
Atmospheric and inspiring spaces, plus imaginative artists and their art.
Diverse audiences and communities, exciting conversations and ideas.
That's the Pickle Factory mix that etches new paths, experiences and socio-cultural capital into the fabric of this city.
Imagine if all this could have a permanent home to do this year-round, instead of only popping up nomadically every so often.
But for this venue to become a reality, we first need to build a strong foundation for ourselves.
And you can help.
Over the next 3 years, we are building a corpus fund that will help us be self-sustainable, support a passionate and committed team who imagine and deliver world-class programs, and who will form the bedrock of our permanent home for dance.
Our Pickle Factory fundraising program invites you to be part of this journey.
Support us. Help us build our corpus.
Help us take these first steps towards Calcutta's home for dance.
As we all know, art infuses any space with life, activity, imagination and empathy. It creates an infectious and invigorating spirit that pulls people in again and again and again.
Be a part of creating and perpetuating this experience.
Be a pickle pioneer.